In this video, we'll take a look at how easy it is to create a professional booking website using SimplyBook.me. Let's start by going to SimplyBook.me. Click Get Inspired if you'd like to take a look at some booking page examples first, or click Sign Up to get right into it. Begin by adding a company name, which will be part of your booking page address. Take your time on this, since it won't be possible to change it later. Next, add a phone number and choose a business category. This will help tailor the system to your needs. Specify your address. Add your name, email, and password. Make sure to use valid information, since it will be used to verify your account, reset your password, etc. Check the box to agree to our terms if you'd like to proceed. Choose if you want to receive promotions and newsletters, and if you'd like your page to be featured on our business marketplace. Go to your mailbox to verify your account. Then choose if you want to use just the booking page, embed our widget on your website, or both. Set your working hours. Add service providers. Choose from among the available themes. Add a company description. Pick a color scheme and click Submit. Go to Settings to start your tour and get familiar with our interface. Your booking page is now live and can be accessed via the link in the top right corner. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.